Welcome to another video of Prodigy Hayes Fishing. I am going to go for a quick flick today. Before I do that, I'd like to show you what gear I'm using. It is a light gear. I would call it light gear. I wouldn't call it ultralight just yet. I don't know, maybe you will, I don't know. Anyways, we're using a Vanford 2000 from Shimano. The Ultegra 1 to 3 kilo rod. I think it's 7'2", and we are using a prawn lure, which is a squidgy, 2.5 inch, 1/8 jig head, size 1 hook. The trace is 8 pound. It's an 8 pound trace, hooked onto or knotted onto a 6 pound braid. FG knot as well. I put the FG knot on. That's standard, guys, has to be done, the FG knot. We'll test it out, see what we can catch. Yeah, this is a quick flick, so I'm going to be here only 20 minutes, then we'll get going. Alright guys, stay tuned. And we'll work it way back there, you know. That's it. Oh, I want to go home. Finally. Big fish. What is that? No, you're not going to take me for a snag. That's a Trevally. Trying to take me for a snag, the bastard. Just want to see what it is. Got some weight to it, man. Trevally. Finally. Got a Trevally. Finally. Finally, a Trevally. Yep. Woo! How big does he go, guys? He's a 41. 41. Beauty. There you go, guys. 41 centimeter Trevally, silver Trevally. He gave me a good run. Caught on the 2.5 inch curly tail prawn there on the squidgy. Yeah, now it's time to release him. Look at that, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. There you go, off he goes. Oh, look at that. Swimming away like a jet ski. That was a nice 41 centimeter Trevally. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you in the next video.